Okay, this video we're going to talk about replacing the switch by the driver's seat that opens the front trunk or the rear engine latch. This is for a Porsche 997.1 or .2. These are the tools you'll need: a 5mm Allen wrench. I found I needed two different types to make it easy, and a little plastic pry bar. This is what we're replacing right here. There are two little plastic covers that you need to pry off those little very small dots. You pry that off with a plastic pry bar. Pretty easy to pry off. Now the trickiest part is getting to this Allen bolt underneath. You don't have to unscrew them all the way. You won't see this. It's hidden here, as you can see, in the rear part of the cover. I use this smaller Allen wrench. In the front, I can use a longer one. It makes it much easier. But it's kind of angled up a little bit to get to that Allen bolt. And once you get it off, you can just pry the whole thing off. This is what it looks like upside down. Then I found a little screwdriver underneath these 4 tabs. Kind of pry it like that, and it comes off. It's a little tricky to get that off. Very easy to get back in. But that, I did find that the trickiest part, to get that actually extracted. So now you put the new one back in. And then the little plug, it's flared at one end of it. That goes to the front of the car. You can see here, I'm putting it in backwards. That is incorrect. Flip that around. That flared part of the plug goes towards the front of your car. Then you can kind of test it before you put it back in place, make sure it still works. And then you'll notice these little tabs here that I'm pointing to. Those go back over the Allen bolts that you're going to screw back in with your Allen keys. It's a little tricky to get to, like I said before. It just needs a few turns. You don't have to completely loosen it when you take it out, of course. But yeah, just tighten it up, takes a few turns, and then you're all set. Give it one more test, and it works like a charm. So I was really pleased with this. It was about $22 off of Amazon. It's just a cheap Chinese one, but I was really pleased with the way it worked out. Thanks for watching.